welcome back again to my channel, and it's me again, Angie, the Filipina mountain mom in the Philippines. So in today's video, guys, first of all, I want to flex you our beautiful view here. Look at that, but in the camera is the ocean is in it. You cannot see the ocean because of the lights. So but I just want to flex you. And in today's video, guys, is some one of my viewers or supporters in YouTube that you want to request me to how to get our firewood that we use in when I'm cooking. So this video I want to get a wood, but my father-in-law he's really the dried wood to make firewood. So I don't need to go to go away to find a wood because it's already here. My father-in-law has is really a wood in case we don't have a firewood. So all I need is to cut the wood. So let's go. So first of all, I need to use bulo na machete. So I need to choose the small piece because this one is easy to cut than the big one. And after this, I want to go at Tero's house because uh, my husband and my husband cousin is the buffering butchering a pig for the first celebration because this day is the first day of first celebration, the anti-disperas. So that's why I need to ready the wood, firewood. Ah, this one, the big piece, I need to cut this. I need to put this in the ground because later when I cook for the to prepare for the festival celebration, I will cook here outside. So let's go. After I prepare and to get the wood, so I will show you uh how they butchering the pig. So let's go and I will show you our way from here in my house to Ate Rose's house and Kuya Randy, the American Man Filipino Wife YouTube channel. So let's go. So this is our way. Look at the con guys, oh. The ground. It's so green. Greeny. And it's good because the weather now is very nice. Look, oh. There's mini papaya tree. No papaya tree, papaya fruit. Oh. This one. Oh, look guys. We have a foot road. This is our foot road. As you can see, it's kind of small. But they started widening. But not finished. Not also finished. So we need to wait for about months. How many months? To finish the widening. Na sila nag-order yan? Oh, Ben? So, I'm here at Ate Rose and Kuya Randy place. We will check the look. Ayo! You guys, the Ate Rose and Kuya Randy piggery. Oh, they are started now. I'm so late. Oh, you can hear the sounds of the pigs. Huh? Boiled water.
Mau gini gitu pag tumiro na oh.
Mau lagi nak?
Naikon. Samad.
Mau lagi cerdik.
Naisa.
Jangan buat itu lalu.
Oh, yan ang na. Panas saya. Saya man.
Ini. Cuma Ilocano sa
Kamu unom na mo kabuan di pagyapon mo kamao. Oh. Kailangan pag sodik di pa na rin. Yan na lang yan na kayo.
Go back home because we get my husband share pork meat. So my sister carried the two plastic bag. Ah? Oh. So, bye. I will give you update later.